Hi, today I want to tell you about the Neti pot. This is a brilliant thing for speakers. It clears your nose out. Now I often get a lot of sinus problems, particularly if I eat a lot of dairy and I sound like a football commentator with the blocked up nose. This device will clear your nose out. So what you do is you fill it up with warm water and then you put the little saline solution that comes with it. It's basically baking powder and salt, and then it just clears your sinuses out, and we'll see what that looks like. So I probably should have warned you, I've now taken my shirt off, so apologies for that. Now we're going to try and do this. Thanks to Mark for doing the filming, and he may start laughing when it comes out much, so try not to go up down. This is what happens. Okay, here we go. Like this, put it up to the nostril, squeeze up there, and it comes out of the other nostril, like that. It's a bit like swimming in the sea, and you just follow it. Mouth. And then when you've done it one way, then you come back the other way, like this. So it's not especially pleasant, but it's not too horrible. And I haven't had a cold or anything, so not much is coming out. But if you have had a cold, it will really clear your nose out, all of the mucus and stuff. So there we go. That comes out like that. And for about 5 minutes, you're going to be feeling a little bit funny as those stuff's come out your nose. But there we go. And now, hear how my voice sounds differently. Not a sports commentator at all, but like a Shakespearean actor. It's the Neti pot. I would recommend that you get one. They're less than £10. I just got them on Amazon. Loads of different people make them, and this is a special one because it's squeezy. There we are. That was fun.